This is about setting the clock in beat. And this is on a Hermle brook, and I intentionally set this way out of beat so just to use as a demonstration. And I just gave it a swing, and see the pendulum just comes to a stop. So if I take the pendulum and slowly move it to the left, we don't even hear a tick. But if I move it to the right, then to the left just a little bit, there's a tick in the talk. But see how cockeyed the pendulum is. So what I need to do is take the pendulum hanger and remove the pendulum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to the left a little bit, and that's right there to where I start to feel some resistance. But if I go the other way, see, it goes way over here before I start to feel any resistance. Which that means it needs to go to the point of resistance to the left and then a little further. I'll check it again. I'm going to do this from the top so you can more easily see it. See, it's still going way too far to the right. So I'll get as far to the left as I can before I start to feel that resistance right there. And then I'm just going to go a little further. I'm going to use my finger here. I'm going to check it again. I'm moving it from the top. But you can move it from the bottom more easily. I'm just doing this so you can see it. And see how the tick-tock is still a little off to the right. So I bring it all the way to the left until I start to feel that point of resistance. Then I'm just going to move it just a hair to the left. Release. See, we have a nice even tick-tock there. Now I'm going to check it again. Move it to the left. Move it to the right. Because we want that tick-tock to occur at the bottom position, right around where the 6 would be on the dial. And that's right where it should be. Failure to do this, or if one's unadjusted, the pendulum will swing for a few minutes and then just come to a stop. So now I'm going to carefully install the pendulum. Straighten my case. There. So now the pendulum hanger is in the proper location. The clock is in beat. The clock is level. And we have a nice even tick-tock. And this pendulum will swing for 7 days now without winding. You do need to wind it every 7 days. And that's all you need to do to adjust your beat on a pendulum clock.